Hi guys, welcome to our kitchen. Today we're gonna share with you how to make carrot salad.
The salad tastes amazing and has a lot of antioxidants in it. So let's go ahead and show you how to make it.
For this delicious salad recipe, we will need 2 pounds of carrots, 1 onion, 1 lemon, 5 garlic cloves. Using a mandoline, we will shred our carrots. Add salt to your taste. Mix it together. Squeeze 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now we need to chop 1 onion. Add 3 tablespoons of avocado oil to the pan. Add onion and saute until it's golden. Squeeze the garlic cloves. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika. Mix it together. While it's hot, add it to the carrots. Mix it together. Put everything into the bowl and cover with a lid. Then put it into the refrigerator for 3 hours. But for the best result, do it overnight.
Now it's time to serve. Sprinkle with cilantro and chili powder. If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more delicious recipes just like this one, we're definitely going to have a lot more up on the channel. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.